This is the in-game radio. You can change and pause or play different songs. This is the quest GUI, which indicates how many eggs and kills you have to be able to enter inside the trophy room. And this shows the enemy being killed. This script checks the physical enemy spawn zones on the map. It measures the zone to count how many enemies are currently alive. If there are fewer than 20 zombies on the map, it picks a random spawn point, clones a new enemy from the storage, and teleports them directly to that spot. This script runs in server script service and creates the player leaderboard when someone joins the game. It creates a folder named leader sets inside the player to hold their data. To stop a glitch where column swap places on the screen, I gave kills a priority value of 100, eggs of 50, and wins of 0. This locks their visual spots permanently. The parent folder is loaded last to ensure that the player list renders instantly without any stuttering or visual glitches. This is the enemy leaderboard, where if the enemy's health hits 0 and is killed by a player, the script adds 1 point directly to the player's skills leaderboard score. And this is the speed boost. When a player touches an invisible part inside the lightning bolt mesh, the script runs a cooldown to prevent glitches, as shown on lines 3, 6, and 10. I used the part because meshes cannot trigger if a player collided with them, so nothing would simply work. It then plays a sound effect and sets the player's speed to 50. After 5 seconds, it returns their speed back to 25. And this is the button of an obby, which when clicked on, it gives the player the ability to jump on it. The script searches the workspace for a hidden part named Inv Stone. If found, it makes the see-through platform solid and visible. After 7 seconds, it automatically resets back to its original settings. If the part is not found, however, a warning message is displayed in the output. This is the proximity prompt that when pressed the egg is picked up, a sound effect is played, and the player gets one extra number added to the egg's leaderboard. This is a volcano with random spawning boulders which damage the player and the enemy when hit. This script runs in server script service to spawn boulders randomly from some spawn parts. It searches the entire workspace to find these parts named boulder spawn and adds them to a list. Every second it picks a random one from that list, copies the boulder template there, and deletes it after 3 seconds to clear server memory. This module script is used to call the previous boulder function and therefore keeps my code a little more organized. It holds a reusable function called boulderspawner.spawn, which other scripts can use to instantly clone a boulder. When the boulder hits something on the map, the damage script checks if it is touched by a player or enemy by looking for a humanoid. If it finds one, it takes away 1 health point. It then runs a 5-second wait cooldown, so the boulder doesn't instantly eliminate the player. For one of the effects, I used the dust effect for the plane. Since we had to use two, I used the fire effect for the temple. The rotating statue is one of the few loops that I implemented in my game. This script rotates the statue anti-clockwise by -1 degrees every 0.01 seconds to create a smooth animation effect. It separates the statue's position from its angle so it doesn't glitch or float away, which was one of the many bugs that I had in my game that I had to fix. The cave's front gate is another loop. Every 3 seconds it runs a loop 50 times to move the gate up by -0.2 studs per frame for a smooth animation. It pauses for 3 seconds to let players pass, then runs an opposite loop to reverse the process. To give the eggs and kills a meaning, I added this door that opens only when the player has enough resources, as shown in the quest GUI. If the player doesn't meet the requirements, this door simply plays a locked sound effect. After the trophy is stolen, the script adds 1 to wins, reverses the kills and eggs leaderboards to 0, and hides the trophy 10,000 blocks underground for 20 seconds so nobody can steal it twice. After 3 seconds, it then teleports the player back to the main spawn point on the map.